In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to set an alarm on your iPhone when the battery is fully charged. This helpful feature can prevent overcharging and prolong the lifespan of your phone's battery. To get started, open up the Shortcuts app, and then tap Automation at the bottom center. After that, tap on the new Automation button. And then scroll down until you see an option called Battery Level. Tap on it. Now what you want to do next is move this slider all the way to the right, which equals 100%. And then tap on the Run Immediately option. And then tap Next at the top right. Now you need to select an action to take when the battery level is 100%. Do that, tap where it says New Blank Automation. And then tap on the Add Action button. And then tap on the search bar and search for Show Notification. Tap and select it from the search results. What you want to do next is change the text. To do that, tap over here and then enter whatever you want. I'm going to type in fully charged. Once you've typed that in, tap the arrow button. And then make sure the play sound option is enabled. Tap Done at the top right to finish this process and close it. Now you'll get an alarm on your iPhone when the battery is at 100%. By using this simple trick, you can protect your iPhone's battery from overcharging and ensure that it stays healthy for longer. It's a great way to make sure you're not leaving your phone plugged in longer than necessary and taking care of its battery life. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.